In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to update the text on your Showit website. Okay, so clicking on a text box will display the individual text box settings on the right-hand side of the screen. First, we have text style. This is where you can change the font settings for both the desktop and mobile views. Underneath that, we have text properties. This is generally for SEO purposes. Enable input can be selected when you want users to be able to type into the text box, so when you're creating a contact form. Size and position, this controls the size of the text box and the X-Y position on the screen. Click Actions allows you to link elements to certain pages, canvases, external URLs, etc. to the text boxes. Transitions, this one is mainly used with Canvas views, and it allows you to apply transitions from one view to the next. So it's good if you have a next or previous text button links that you want your users to click on to go from one Canvas view to the next. Hover, this is where you can set custom hover colors as someone hovers over the text box. Now this can only be set for the entire text box, not individual lines of the text itself. And then lastly we have effect. Now this one allows you to control the opacity settings of the text in the text box. So now let's talk about how to replace the sample text with your own content. Firstly, we want to select the canvas that contains the text box to edit. Double-click the text box to activate the cursor. From there, we can highlight the text and press delete. And then it's just a matter of inputting your own text. So to do that, we can either type directly into the text box or we can copy and paste in your content. So once we've done that, the next step is to resize the text box to accommodate changes if need be. We can either drag the text box corners in or out, or update the dimensions from the text settings menu on the right-hand side. Next, we want to switch to mobile view to review the changes and alter the text box dimensions or positioning as required. Finally, we can review the other design elements to make sure everything is fitting in nicely and change the positioning if required. Okay, so now let's have a look at how to replace the sample text if it is contained within a Canvas view. So firstly, we want to select the canvas that contains the text box to edit. Next, we want to switch to the Page tab to access the page sections and Canvas view folders. From here, we want to select the Canvas view folder that contains the text box you would like to edit. And like we did earlier, we need to double-click the text box to activate the cursor. From here, we can highlight the text and press delete. And then we can input our own text, again, either by directly typing into the box or copying and pasting your own content. After that, we want to resize the text box to accommodate changes if need be. And again, we can either drag the text box corners in or out, or update the dimensions from the text settings menu on the right-hand side. Finally, we want to switch to mobile to review the changes and alter as required. And again, we want to review the other design elements and change the positioning if required.